what's up? Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. So today it's gonna go ahead and be another review video. So I'm going to be reviewing the I Heart Revolution chocolate or chalk mints mini palette, and I saw this on the way out of Ulta. So I was like, you know what, I never tried this brand. I saw Daisy Marquez rave about the highlighter, but the highlighter was not for me. And I saw this and I was like, this is so pretty, this is screaming out my name, and I really wanted to go ahead and try these two colors together. These shimmers look nice. This little glitter shadow here, or foil, whatever you want to call it, looks nice. I really like this palette and I'm really hoping to fall in love with it. It does have a scent of mint with a hint of eyeshadow. All I have to say is I hate Ulta. I hate Ulta. I don't like it. I just don't like how the staff doesn't throw away damages so that they can replenish on new products. I don't like how they let people just swatch everything and they don't keep an eye on the floor. You know what I mean? Like I'm just speaking from all the Ultas that I went to, and everything is just so messy. And you would think that if you go to the richer side it'd be better than like the ghetto version, and it's not. They're the fucking same. I've never been to an Ulta though that was inside of a mall, so maybe that would look a little bit different. But this particular Ulta that I went to, it's just no honey. Like that manager really needs to step her game up before someone gets secret shopped. The district manager comes along, because that's not good. It's not sanitized. Everything was swatched. Everything was broken. It's just gross. So yeah, I walked out with this, and I also walked out with a lot of Essence products. So if you do want to see the Essence stuff that I am going to try out as well, which is kind of like the second part of this video, which is why I'm wearing the same shirt, go ahead and subscribe. It should be out after this, if not already out before this. So yes, let's go ahead and get started with the eyeshadows. So on my face right now, in case you're wondering, I just have concealer on, and I already did set it with an Essence product, and then normally I do my eyeshadow, which is why it's a little like out of order. Oh yeah, and I also have an Essence product on my brows too, so if you want to see that, definitely check that video out. Subscribe if you're not, and click the little bell. I'm priming my eyes, and I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is like my go-to primer. I love this primer, and I like how it can double up as a concealer as well. It's not that drying anymore. I don't know if they like reformulated it, but it's really not drying at all. I know some people don't like to set their eyeshadow, but I have to, just so that it's easier for me to blend. And if you use a translucent powder, or you know, just a regular translucent powder, you should be fine. You don't have to worry about anything like not blending well. So I do like the packaging. It's really cute. This retailed for $7, which I do think is affordable. I mean, come on, this is really cute. I do like this brand off of first impressions. I haven't swatched anything, so that's what we're gonna do right now. They don't have names on it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start highlighting it, start swatching it. This third one, oh my god, it's so creamy. I was worried that it was going to be a film, but it doesn't look like a film at all. So this here is the first row. We have a nice highlighter. Then we have like a nice bronzy shade. It's kind of a little bit of a film, so it might not continue to look like that. This is the one that I was so excited about. This is like a foil, almost pressed pigment. I'm not too sure. And then this is the matte brown on the first row. Really quick, I want to show you what I mean by a little film. If you can see the outside of this eyeshadow, you can see the original color and then what it looks like now that it's swatched. It's not bad though, honestly. I've seen a lot worse filming, so I do like that, especially since it's only $5. All of these feel really soft. The glittery one that I said I was most happy about, it's more, look, this one has a film too, this last one. You see that film right there? Can you see how it's like textured? Like it looks different, but yeah. Anyways, here is the first color, the nice jade color. These two here are the ones that I really want to play with the most. And then there's the last highlighting shade. It's not the most pigmented, I will say, this last shade. I don't know if it has to do with that little bit of the foil, but this palette was only $7, and I will say they all feel beautifully. That last one, since it had like a little bit of a layer, it wasn't the softest out of the palette, but it's definitely not a deal breaker for me. These definitely ain't no e.l.f. shadows. These ain't no Maybelline shadows. These are good. So let's go ahead and get started, and it's cheaper too. These two browns though are very similar. Very similar, as you can see. This one here was from the top one, and this is from the bottom row. Do you see how similar those are? I feel like this could have been, this one's more of a reddish tone, this is more of like a cooler tone or neutral tone. I feel like they could have swapped that out and put in a different shade for transition. So we're gonna go ahead and just take a nice blending brush. That's gonna be the one that I blend everything out with. And we are gonna go ahead and just get started. I'm gonna take this medium shade here. Like I said, this is one of the ones that I wanted to play with. I've been wanting to do like a warm color in the eye, kind of like a peach color, and then jade in the lid. And when I saw this palette, I was like, oh snap, this is definitely calling my name. Definitely gonna use it. So I will say that this shadow is nice and soft. This is what it looked like when I swatched it, and I would say that it's somewhat accurate. You do definitely need to build it up though, and you will get more payoff if you just use your fingers, and then you can probably use this to blend it out. I don't think that that's necessarily a bad thing, especially since this eyeshadow palette is $7. I do think that this is a great palette to probably travel with because of the size. And yeah, I mean, like, so far so good. This isn't like a Vice Boss palette or an Urban Decay palette or no Huda Beauty palette, because those palettes are so pigmented. But I mean, comparing the price and that this is normal, like, I mean, come on, you know what I mean? But so far so good. I'm kind of impressed here, and I'm enjoying this so far. Forgot the tape. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use this like jade greenish teal color right there. So pretty, so pretty. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take a packing brush. Let's use you because I just saw you and I was like, yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and pack this on to, oh my god, look at that pigment. So pretty, so pretty. And pack this all over the lid. You know what? I wonder if these are gonna be like those kind of brushes that when you blend out, they just turn into nothing. Did I say brushes? I meant eyeshadows. So now that I have packed on a quick like little layer, I'm going to take a little crease blending brush, which is calling my name. This one's good. And kind of just like blend these two shades like together. Like that. There we go. It totally picked up the product. Can you see that? Can you see how like there's like a missing gap right there? I don't know. It's kind of weird. And we're gonna dip into this beautiful glitter shade and highlight. Ooh, girl. Put that in. Kind of like blend this out with that clean brush. So the glitter one definitely is like a little almost powder. I wouldn't say it's powdery because it's very like smooth and velvet. It's very like soft and almost creamy, but it will fall. There's fallout. So I went ahead and I used a winged liner today and just a mascara. I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line, and first I'm going to pick up the peach shade because I do want to apply mascara. That's cute. I kind of look like I was crying though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brown over here that has like a redder undertone, and we are also going to put that just above to kind of smoke out as well. Alright guys, so I am done with the eyes. Again, if you want to see everything else that I have on my face, it's from the brand Essence. I definitely recommend subscribing so that you can go ahead and see that content if you are interested. But overall, on this particular palette here, for $7, I would go and fucking pick it up. I honestly am kicking myself in the ass for not trying anything else out from this brand. So I think what I'm going to do is go back to the dreadful Ulta, try to find some that aren't broken or swatched or contaminated or seals that are broken, and go ahead and get them so that I can try them out in a different video. If you have any recommendations of anything from iHeart Revolution that I should try out, please let me know in the comments below so that I can go ahead and get started on it. But yes, this is the finished eye look. Honestly, I like it. I do really like this. I like the eyeshadows. I think they're very pigmented. I will let you guys know how they last throughout the day, be sure to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. It's always Krystalscouture. I let you guys know my opinions on anything that I am wearing throughout the day, anything that I film first impressions on, I let you guys know. And of course, in my editing, I do try to let you guys know here or there. But if you want to see firsthand, I highly recommend following me on social media so that you can go ahead and keep up with me. So Instagram and Snapchat is where it's at. So thank you guys so much for watching. Highly recommend it. I definitely love it. It's $7. Look at this look. It fits in a makeup bag and you can take it with you. It's so slim, so compact. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, click the little bell button so you can get notified. Leave any requests, comments down below. And anything that you recommend from iHeart Revolution, like I said, that I should try out. Anything that you think I should stay away from. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all so, so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.